Now, why should you use YouTube to promote affiliate products? There are many other ways to promote affiliate products, such as building a list or creating review sites. Well, the thing I like about YouTube is that it's free traffic and you have an audience of millions and millions of people that you can reach out to. I mean, imagine if your video becomes a featured video or if it goes viral. So there's a lot of potential as well for putting your videos on YouTube and promoting affiliate products on there. Okay, so it's great for anybody that's starting out who don't have money to invest or who don't have a current list of subscribers or audience to market to. And even if you do get a small amount of views or a small amount of subscribers on your channel, you could still make good profits. I'm not guaranteeing it, but I have seen it with other people who start out and within a few months they're already generating handsome profits, even with small views. Because as you know, there's this misconception out there that in order for you to make a lot of money on YouTube, you have to have millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And that is true in some ways, but you know, there are many ways to profit from YouTube, and many of these ways don't require you to have a large audience. Okay, so that's another great thing about YouTube, is that there are many other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And in the following videos, we're going to be focusing on one of them, which is affiliate marketing.